Okay, look at number 8. This is the second part of Unit 4 Review Day 1. A mountain hiker starts at an altitude of 150 above sea level and climbs at a rate of 2,500 feet per hour. That gives you that right there. That's important. Which equation could be used to find the altitude of the mountain hiker after X hours? Where did he start? Where did he start? 150 feet above sea level. That's his y-intercept, guys. This is the y-intercept. That's what they're telling you. Okay? That's where he started. So it would be plus 150. And then 2,500 feet per hour is your m. So 2,500x. Okay? So 2,500x plus 150 is letter choice B. Okay? Where does it start? That's your y-intercept. What are you doing per? That's your m. Okay? Number 9. The table below shows the relationship between H, the number of hours worked, and W, the amount of wages working while earned. Okay, look, we have a chart. I know it labels it X or H and W, but we're going to label it X and Y. What's the change here? What's the change here? 7. This is plus 2, plus 2, plus 2.
17.
This is plus 17?
Yeah.
Okay, so the change in Y is 17. The change in X is 2. Oh, man, I cannot write. Sorry. 17 over 2, which is $8.50 an hour. So Y equals 850X. But they have it set up different. How do I know? W, I labeled W here and H here. So that works as... You good with that? Mm-hmm. Last one, number 10. Which of the following statements best describes the data in the table below? Oh, look, guys. Change in Y, change in X is 10 over 2, which reduces to what? 5, right? Okay, so let's go with the words. The value of Y is 10 more than X. Is it 10 more than X? Mm-mm. The value of Y is 1 more than 6 times X. What did I find here?
5.
Which would be this, right? And then, but that doesn't finish it because it's really 5X plus 2. Because 1 times 5 is 5. How do I get to 7? Plus 2. So that gives us this Y is 2 more than 5 times X. Okay? So remember this form right here. Y equals mx plus or minus b. This is my constant of proportionality, my rate of change. Change in Y over change in X. My slope, right? This is my y-intercept, okay? That's where it crosses the y-axis. For some places, that's where it starts because it's starting out at a certain amount. It's my convenience fee, it's my shipping, it's all those things that we talked about there, okay? So make sure you remember each piece of this.